How to unhide songs on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually unhide songs on Spotify. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we want to do is we want to simply make sure we have actually updated the Spotify app to the latest version. So head over to your device's app store. In the search box, you're going to type in Spotify and then go ahead and simply update the app to the latest version. After we've actually updated the Spotify app, I'm going to simply open it and make sure you are logged into your Spotify account. The first thing you want to do is, after you open Spotify, you can see this is how the interface is actually going to look like. What you can do is, from the top right hand side, you'll be able to see this gear icon, which is the settings icon. So tap on this gear icon right over here, and here you want to scroll until you find the option called show unplayable songs. You can see right here, show songs that are unplayable, and you can see that this toggle is currently turned off. So you want to simply tap on it and then actually turn this toggle on right over here. Now once you actually enable this option, the next thing I'm going to show you is to simply open a particular song, and I'm going to show you first of all how to hide it in order to unhide it later as well. So in order to hide this, what you can do is, from the top right, tap on the three dots right over here. As you tap on three dots here, you'll find a button which says hide this song. So you can tap on hide this song button, and this song is actually going to be hidden. Now what you can do is, in order to unhide that particular song again, you want to simply tap on it and then tap on that particular song right over here. Let me just go ahead and show you. So once you actually hide that song, in order to unhide it, you can go back to that song and then tap on the three dots, and then again you want to tap and allow to play this right over here. So simply tap on it, and that song is actually going to be unhidden right over here, and then you can go ahead and also simply try to hide it as well. This was the way on how you could very easily unhide songs on Spotify. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.